Hello guys, I today I am drawing two little wolves that one is in love with the other, and I'm going to draw them. But the problem is I did them a long time ago, and I did them so many times. It's like a classic for me, but I never saved them. So today I'm going to save them up and do. This is the girl, okay, and this is the boy. But I don't remember how to do the eye, so I'm sorry. So with this, wait, guys, if you're here now, please know that it's the my first video, and I'm new in the YouTube, so can you please help me? I am not good at YouTube, and guys, my first video was the giveaway, the free giveaway, but it was an AJ Playwell. I just don't play AJ Playwell anymore because I can't. Myself and don't let me anymore. And the problem is I just need to update it, but it don't let me update, so it's a problem. And well, I need to do the eye, but I don't know how I'm going to do the eye. Guys, I don't know how I'm going to do the eye. I just forgot how to do an eye. This wolf eye. Well, they are so cute. And well, oh look. Oh, I remember that I need to do the fur. Yes. The fur's cute. Just like this. I like this kind of fur because it's just like the horse here, and then the horse came here. I don't know what I'm going to do now. I'm just scared that I don't remember the eye. Need to remember how to do this eye, or I think I won't leave. I won't sleep if I don't do this. Well, 3 minutes of video now. If you don't see the time of the video. Well, this is a masterpiece drill. Okay, now I need to do the eye. It just looks like it's a ball here. Oh, I need to do a cute eye. AJ, how do you do eye? Guys, can I ask this? My IQ. Can you tell me how to do my eye? But the eye is in the incorrect place. What do we do, AJ? What do we do with myself? It's just, what do we do with myself? in the incorrect place. Okay, let me do the eye. Okay. I'm going to do the eye in the correct place right now. Oh, we say nothing. Take it easy, now. You don't even do. Guys, I don't know if I do all hands. Wait, what? Wait. This is Pax Art Studio. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Aww. It is so cute. Okay. Oh, I know. Okay. Spin. Guys, I know that it may think, oh, everybody have eyelashes, or oh, I'm a tomboy and I don't have eyelashes. I'm a girl and I don't like my eyelashes. So yeah, I know that some people first. Wait. I know that there are people that don't have eyelashes. Don't think that all girls have eyelashes, or are a girl and know that not all girls have eyelashes. So, but the problem isn't a problem. First of all, it isn't a problem. It's because in the draws, the eyelashes represents a girl, exclusively girl. If you make them big, if you make them small, they can be anything. So, just for you to know, okay, guys? I'm not judging anybody, okay? I'm not judging people. I know your thoughts. Your thoughts. And it's really my thoughts. Now I'm going to save it up, and I'm going to be back in a few. Okay, it's saved. Aww, it's so cute. It's so love. And the name of the painting is Wolves in Love. Love. I forgot to do little things that can't. I think I need to save it again. Wait. Well, guys, I saved it in many times, so don't forget. And then I'm going to create an item. This. I don't know. I think it's a nail frame. Well, this is the money. Carnival frame? Really? It's a carnival? How? Blue pixel right? Wait, what? Purple pixel. Purple pixel. I just noticed carnival. What is that? What is he talking about? No, wait, it's so crazy. I don't know what to do. It's such craziness. Wait, I have 5 minutes to do it, and my internet isn't helping. Isn't helping me. Wait a second, guys. I just coming back. Oh, I really love this carnival frame. Okay. Wait, it's no frame. Okay, now. Okay. No frame, silver frame, no frame. Green flower. Okay, it will be. And the piece will fall. I don't know what's happening. Wait. I want the mirror one. Mirror. How do I get the mirror one? It isn't the mirror one. Mirror frame file. What do it by this then? Use wood. Oh, it sounds good. Bye. And I bought in wood frame. Oh, that's so cute. Guys, I'm going to die. Add it to my inventory. Okay, guys, so let me kick. Well guys, so that's it, and what just happened, I don't know, and it's just bugging up, and okay, no wait, it is here. Oh well, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like that video. It's my first video talking to you with my voice. You never seen my voice. OMG, I'm so okay. So bye guys. And the correct is listen. See you in my next video. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Or AJ if you prefer. Or in AJ if you prefer.